Welcome back everyone. Now, for this video we're going to talk about list comprehensions. Now, this is just a handy feature in Python. And this handy feature you can use it to construct a list very conveniently. So if you want to construct a list, let's give you an example. I have this list A which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I wanted to construct another list, but with these elements, and let's say all of them are multiplied by 2. So what I would do, I would just say something like print. Then I would say A. Then from saying A, what I would do, I would just make a new list. Then from that new list, let's say X times 2, meaning that this is what I want the list to be populated with. Now where will I get my X's from? So I will say for X in A. And in that simple term, when I run this, you can see that the list has been multiplied by 2. And this list comprehensions, you can use it for different procedures on how to do different things. When you want to get a new, if you want to get an old list, do some iterations on it, or do some calculations on it, some small changes on it, and then get back a new list. So that's how you can use list comprehensions. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Thank you. Please subscribe if you have enjoyed the video.